Hi, I'm Libby, a professional freelance illustrator obsessed with flowers and delicate detail. And this is Illustrating Florals into a Blooming Business. This class is for floral lovers and anyone who wants to learn how to draw botanicals. You'll learn how to gather unique reference and turn that reference into striking compositions. Together, we're going to overcome the intimidation of starting a drawing by breaking the process down into simple steps. From confident line art to color theory basics, every step will be broken down to easily understand and increase your drawing confidence. Additionally, I'll show you how to adapt your illustrations into charming products. In this class, you'll need a digital art drawing tool, be it an iPad or a tablet, and a digital art software that you're comfortable with. By the end of this course, not only will your world be blooming, you'll be able to take on any botanical garden with your drawing tools. I'm Libby, and this is Illustrating Florals 101.